I want to talk about credit cards. Being a mortgage broker for all these years, I've seen so many people getting turned down by a loan because they didn't have good credit score. And then when I look at their income, they have a lot of income, but they've never learned how to use basic credit card. Did you know that a piece of plastic in your wallet can either make you a financial genius or lead you into a debt spiral? Let's find out how this can even be possible. Welcome back, everyone. Today we are cracking the code on credit cards, the good, the bad, and untold secrets. If you ever wondered how a small piece of plastic can have a huge impact on your financial life, you're in the right place. Credit cards are not just a method of payment, that is a big financial tool in this capitalistic society. Essentially, they offer you a short term loan. If you pay it back in full by the due date, it's interest free. It's as simple as that. It's like getting a loan without paying any interest. Sounds great, right? But there is the catch. You need to understand how to use it wisely. Did you know that around 55% of credit card users don't pay their balance in full end of each month? That leads to so much of interest charges, and that's why all these credit card companies make a lot of money. So paying your balance in full end of the month is like extremely crucial. Why? Because that's how you avoid interest charges. Credit card companies, you don't have to feel bad for them because they make their money through merchant fees, but they also offer you rewards and incentives to you, the card holder. They offer you cash back, they offer you miles. If you use it responsibly, these benefits are essentially free money. In 2023, the credit card reward programs, they returned over 15 billion to the consumers in the form of rewards. Why don't you get a piece of that 15 billion? Here is how we can do it. I'm going to go through some basics. These are the basics, all right, but having a budget first is your best friend. When you're trying to use credit card to get the miles, I don't want you to go crazy. Let me tell you a quick story. I had a friend who makes very good income. He had a full-time job, very responsible, he had great credit score. But then when he started to use and understand about how the miles work, he was so determined to get more miles on his credit card balance. He started spending stuff. Then he started buying and then returning some products, just trying to acquire some miles. And what happened was he got caught up in this, getting the miles, and then he ended up with huge amount of debt. And we had to do a debt consolidation for him and do a cash out on his primary home to repay it. That's a terrible example of how this could spiral you down. You need to only spend what you can afford to pay off each and every month, avoiding the trap of carrying a large balance. So for that, consider setting up automatic payments to never miss a due date. This simple habit alone can save you from interest charges and late fees. There are so many studies that show that setting up automatic payments can reduce the chance of late payments by up to 95%. If that's the case, why don't you set it up? Make sure you have enough income coming in, spend only the amount that you're able to pay off. Another benefit is that if you have this automatic setup, then it improves your credit score. Using credit card wisely can boost your credit score. You might think how? Lenders love seeing responsible credit card use. It shows that you're reliable, which can lead to better borrowing opportunities and lower interest rates also in the future. Here is one more. You need to know how to take advantage of these special credit card offers. So these cards come packed with some of the perks from sign-up bonuses to rewards programs and even some promotional financing. So you need to choose cards that align with your spending habits and financial goals. Just that there is a big sign-up promotion, but they require you to spend a lot in the first 6 months. That's a bad deal. So always compare offers to find the best deal. Nearly 70% of credit card holders don't utilize all their benefits and they miss out on an average of around $200 worth of rewards annually. Last but not the least, watch out for potential pitfalls with late payments, annual fees, and other charges. These can quickly erase all the benefits that we just talked about that you earn. Knowledge is power, so make sure you read the fine print. To wrap it up, credit cards are a very powerful tool when used correctly. So remember to pay your balance in full, budget wisely, and choose the right card for your lifestyle. to dive deeper into financial literacy and take control of your wealth management. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for free financial wisdom.